Deepening into the practice of yoga, into the philosophy, into the Sanskrit mantra, mudra, many of the different techniques that are within the yoga tradition, but also takes in account all of the new scientific foundings that can fundament the practice of yoga. The yoga teacher training is an experience for those that want to get immersed into the knowledge of yoga. Plenty of different activities that go beyond the typical yoga practice, such as kirtan, chanting of mantras, activities such as a cacao ceremony, dance classes, and several other special events that will make your experience one of a kind. We like to involve the students with the community, the Bribri culture, which is the native indigenous culture in these mountains, where they live and they hold and they cherish their culture. You'll find within the subjects that you will learn introduction to Sanskrit, chants of mantra, stories and myths, the mudras, which are the hands positions. You will learn about the chakras, energetic system. You will learn about the physical postures, the asanas. Amaser has 2 shalas. Classes will be held in the Mahashala with the ocean view. It's beautifully decorated with Ganeshas, with Hanuman, and in the Bhakti Shala with the forest, the jungle view. You'll have the human connection in between you and the other students, in between you, the teachers and the mentors and the assistants. The interconnection in between all of us within the experience, that your life is gonna be touched by it. Our intention is that you go out of your yoga teacher training with tools to live better your life, to keep on following your path, your dharma, the call of your soul.